Okay, hi. Welcome to the McConnell Public Safety and Transportation Operations Center. I'm Tracy Shelton. I'm General Manager for PSTOC and for the partnership between the Commonwealth of Virginia and the County of Fairfax. First of all, we're part of the West Ox complex. Of course, you all were just across the street. This is about a 250-acre complex with the Fire and Rescue Academy, the police heliport, animal shelter, a variety of functions. The latest part that's under development is the area you're at now. As far as PSTOC, let me give you a couple fun facts about the facility. We're obviously a hardened facility. We're about 147,000 square feet, or 114,000 square foot is PSTOC. Forensics is, I believe, about 33,000 square feet, so we're one footprint basically. We share the same address but two separate functions of the facility. We have blast-resistant concrete, blast-resistant glass. We've got the 100-foot setback you've seen out there. So we have all those kind of things that make us a little bit unique here. We have a lot of mission-critical redundant features. We have two separate power feeds for two separate substations coming here. We have a whole big room for UPS, power supply, mouthful to get up. We also have three large generators, so we have a lot of backups for the backups here, so that in theory, we should not have to ever go down and should not delay the critical work that we're doing here in the facility. And I'd be remiss about forensics as well, so forgive me.
Okay. We're already actually live back in our building, so we have the crime scene section, our electronic surveillance section, and also the bars, the other crime we have back here, the Northern Virginia Regional Identification System, which is a partnership for automated fingerprints primarily. So really it's a great opportunity. In the future, I really do hope as well, is a DNA lab. It's going to be a while when everybody's facing the budget crunches, but certainly we're going to see, I think, in the future, it's going to be great for us. All right, let's start walking.
Well, on behalf of Fairfax County and our partner agencies here in the building, along with my coordinator, Linda McClain, welcome. You're standing on the ELC floor, and what we typically do during a partial activation or full activation is we will ask our partner agencies in Fairfax County and in the building to send a representative in here to act as a liaison between the ELC and the incident out in the field. The conference room back here behind me is our policy room. And because it can get very loud out here and there are a lot of people, we want to get our senior management off of the main floor and into our policy room where they can look at the situation from a higher perspective. The room over here to my left is our Watch Center. And I like to call them our eyes and ears of Fairfax County. Their job is to learn and to listen to everything that's going on in the county and the national capital region and inform county management, regional, national capital region management, and state management as well. So they're there 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and they're always monitoring and listening to information, discussing what's going on in the county, and keeping a close coordination effort with Richmond. And then if you look up here to the front, we have our video wall. But one of the ways that we would use this is if Fairfax County's helicopter is out on the scene and they're taking live pictures of what's going on at an incident. And so the senior management in Fairfax County, as well as the ELC, will get a live feed of the emergency incident.
Where you are standing right now is Novaris, and that is the regional fingerprint examination and analysis area. It is regional. We do encompass several different jurisdictions in the area. Here they examine over 17,000 latent prints every year. Downstairs, unfortunately, I cannot take you into the forensics lab unless I want to subpoena each of you to court to come and testify. But downstairs, actually, this is Detective Matt Anderson. He is one of our forensic examiners, kind of equivalent to CSI, but we think we're better than CSI. This is where they do, in the lab downstairs, they do a lot of that kind of analysis, and we are so excited to have this building. This facility has truly enhanced our ability to do the kind of investigations that we used to do. Detective Anderson is available in case you have any questions on your way out or what have you, to talk about the nature of what goes on. But they do a lot of really excellent, fine detective work, and it really helps us to bring our cases and prosecute them successfully here in Fairfax.
The operations floors for the daily events. We have three partner agencies located down here. We have the 911 Center, we have VDOT's Traffic Management Center, Traffic Operations Center, and then State Police Dispatching are located here. What's unique about this, VDOT and State Police are co-located in the two rows over there facing the VDOT video wall. That's actually the VDOT video wall. The other area is 911. 911 is our largest agency coming into the facility. We have room for the 911 call takers over here, 911 police dispatching below us, and 911 fire dispatching over here to the left. I was pointing out to Governor Kane, we also have all of the supervisors for these functions on a raised platform in the center of the room. And the thinking here is literally if something comes up, they can turn around to that conference table and start to talk about how to address issues and ultimately improve the way we handle incident management for the county and obviously for the other counties as well from the Commonwealth perspective. Two key IT systems we have coming to this facility. VDOT has a new traffic management system that they're in the process of updating. 911 has a new computer-aided dispatching system that they're bringing in for the dispatchers. Ultimately, those systems are going to be able to link together to do just what you said. They'll be able to feed congestion data to the CAD system. That'll help in real-time routing of emergency response vehicles.
Right.
But from the county side, it's going to help VDOT because currently they mostly have most of their cameras are on the interstates.
Right.
So the county folks that are on some of the secondary roads can be the eyes and ears that help VDOT with signal timing.
That's great.
So
Wow.
that's what we're planning.